Welcome to my channel, where we explore unique homes and the stories behind them. Today, we're diving into the incredible journey of Shell and Brodie Stewart, who transformed a 1970s property into a modern family paradise. But this isn't just about a house, it's a tale of personal growth, design inspiration, and the power of following your instincts. Imagine finding your dream home, a renovator's dream, as Shell calls it. It's not just the charming Pizza Hut roof that caught their eye but the potential for a family-friendly space. And when Brodie, a builder himself, had already inquired about the property, it felt like fate. This is a story of taking a leap of faith and creating a home that reflects your evolving life. Now, what's fascinating here is their approach to renovation. They didn't just aim for a cosmetic makeover, they envisioned a complete transformation. And with Brodie's expertise, they embarked on a major overhaul, starting the construction as their third child was born. Talk about a busy time. Personally, I think their mindset is what sets this project apart. They had a frank conversation about the challenges ahead, acknowledging the hard work and the departure from a typical baby bubble. This level of honesty and teamwork is a game changer. It's not just about the physical changes to the house, it's about the emotional journey and the bond it creates between them. The design choices are where things get really interesting. Shell, with her newfound freedom as her own client, went rogue with materials and colors. She embraced her instincts, creating a unique blend of polished concrete, recycled bricks, and cedar cladding. And the colors! Moving away from the expected coastal vibe, she brought in pastel Laminex joinery and a peach concrete kitchen bench top. It's a bold departure from the norm, and I love it. The house isn't just aesthetically pleasing, it's incredibly functional. The floor plan is a masterpiece, ensuring every space is utilized efficiently. From bedrooms to the new pool, each area has a purpose. And the storage. Every parent knows the struggle of keeping a house tidy with kids, but Shell has found the solution. This house is a testament to thoughtful design, making daily life easier and more enjoyable. One detail I find captivating is how the family honors the previous owner's legacy. By maintaining the social aspect of the front yard, they've created a space that connects them to the community. It's these little touches that make a house a home. In just 10.5 months, they achieved their dream home, and it's inspiring to see how it's impacted their lives. The house has become a catalyst for personal growth, even leading Shell to a career change in interior design. This project isn't just about bricks and mortar, it's about the transformation of a family, and their journey towards a brighter, more joyful future. So, what can we take away from this? It's a reminder that homes are more than just structures, they're reflections of our lives and aspirations. The Stewart's journey encourages us to embrace our instincts, take risks, and create spaces that truly resonate with who we are. Until next time, keep exploring and designing your dream spaces.